Good morning, students. Today we will continue with the same topic, banking, but we will take the different type of questions. Today we will take a question in which the principal is missing. So, see, the question is, Poonam opened a RD account with the bank for 1.5 years. If the rate of interest is 6% per annum and the bank pays rupees 11,313 on maturity, find how much Poonam deposited each month. So, each month deposit is known as principal. So, in this question, what is given? Rate percent is given, that is 6%. Time is 1.5 years. 1.5 years means we will convert it into months. 18 months. 1 year means 12 months and half years means 6 months. So total is 18 months. And maturity value means amount is given, that is 11,313 rupees. Now we have to calculate the principal. So first we will again take the formula of simple interest, that is P into N plus 1 upon 2 into 100 into R upon 12. So substitute the values. Principal is missing. N means number of months, that is 18 into 19 into rate of interest is 6 upon 2 into 12 into 100. After solving this, we will see the simple interest is 171 upon 200. So now what is given? Amount is given. So use the formula of amount, or you can say the maturity value, both are same. So maturity value is formula P into N plus simple interest. We will substitute the values. The value of amount is 11,313 is equals to, principal was missing, number of months was 18, plus simple interest value is 171p upon 200. So we will take out the LCM. After doing all the calculation, we will see principal is rupees 600. Now we will take the another type in which the rate is missing. So question number 13 of your book, David opened a RD account in a bank and deposited rupees 300 per month for 2 years. If he received rupees 7,725 at the time of maturity, find the rate of interest per annum. So in this question, first we will write down what is given. Principal is 300 rupees. Rate of interest is missing. Time period is 2 years. 2 years means so number of months will be 24 months. The value of N is 24 months. And maturity value, or you can say the amount, is rupees 7,725. So we will again put the value in the simple interest formula. P into N plus 1, that is 24 plus 1 is 25 into rate of interest is missing, 2 into 100 into 12. When we will solve, we will see after cancellation, our simple interest is 75R. Substitute in the formula of amount, SI plus P into N. So amount formula is given. Get the value of amount, simple interest plus principal into 24, that is number of months. So after putting the value, we will do the calculation. The rate of interest is 7%. So this is our answer. Now we will move to the last type of the question, children, that is little bit lengthy and very important for examination point of view. So in this question, the time is missing. Kavita has a CTD account in a bank, cumulative time deposit account. She deposited rupees 800 per month and gets rupees 16,700 as a maturity value. If the rate of interest is 5% per annum, find the total time for which the account was held. So see, in this question, first principal is given, that is rupees 800, rate of interest, that is 5%, maturity value, or you can say amount, 16,700, and total time is missing. So again we will use the same formula, simple interest, P into N is missing, N into N plus 1 into 5 upon 2 into 12 into 100. After calculating, simple interest value is 5N into N plus 1 whole upon 3. This is the value of simple interest. Now we will use the formula of amount, that is P into N plus simple interest. Amount value we will substitute, principal, N is missing, and simple interest. When we solve, we will see after opening the bracket and taking out the LCM, we will see we are left with this equation. After cross multiplication, we will see that we are left with this equation. So this is a quadratic equation, and in this quadratic equation 5 is common. When we will take out 5 common, n square plus 481n minus 10,020. 5 on the other side, it becomes 0. Now we got this quadratic equation, and we will solve this quadratic equation either by the quadratic formula or splitting of the middle term. Both the methods are correct, choice is yours. So I am using splitting of middle term. So when we will take out the factors are 501n minus 20n. So again we will make the factors. Now we can see 20 is common in the last two terms. So the factors are n minus 20 and n plus 501 is equals to 0. We'll compare both the factors with 0, and we'll see the value of n is 20 and the second value of n is minus 501. So we will neglect this value because negative value don't take. So the value of n is 20 months. Or children, when you will give the answer, you have to write down either in months or year form. So when we will convert this into year form, it becomes 1 year 8 months, because 1 year is 12 months, 12 plus 8 is 20 months. So you have to give your answer both in months as well as in the form of years. So children, today based on the same concept, please practice rest of the question of your exercise and finish the exercise. Thank you.